Hi, I'm Dolly Kellepez, and this is my combination for DanceTeacherWeb. I want to talk about a few of the pointers and why I chose to do this combination. The combination is a rather advanced combination, but you could break it down and use elements of it for beginners. So the first thing that we're doing is going into sur le coup de pied position. The sur le coup de pied position I think is very powerful because of its tendu to the front for me, Haley. When you tendu to the front, that is the shape of your foot as your foot hits the front. Take a sur le coup de pied to the side. As you go to the side, it's the same position of your foot, and then go to the back, it's the same position. So we tend to, as teachers, tell people, okay, well, you point on the side of the big toe, the tip of the big toe. In reality, the shape of the foot is the shape of the foot, no matter where you do that. So we started with sur le coup de pied. That's why I like sur le coup de pied. Tendu to the front, really reaching that heel forward and the inside forward. Then this exercise where we go ball toe, I think it's used a lot of different ways, but my intention here is and jump, so that the student is getting that quick reflex with the ball of their foot for jumping. So we go ball toe, and then the tendu coming in, and then now we're gonna change directions and change feet. This is what makes it a little bit more advanced. So as you go forward, you're gonna tendu, and you gotta work that turnout as you turn all the way around and close into fifth position. We do the same thing on the other side, so sur le coup de pied and jump, and two tendus to fifth, and turn around. Okay, so then sur le coup de pied, the same thing, shaping it to the side, and then two dégagés closing first. I like to use the head. The reason why I like to use the head is because in America we don't have a lot of cultural dance or that Moiseyev style character dance, so we don't get to use our heads that much. So I always emphasize in class, especially during tendus, grand battements, when we're doing our pas de barres over and under, whatever, I emphasize that the head is towards the standing leg. Then we repeat it from the back, and two dégagés closing front, and then we do tendus en croix rather quickly to get that shape of the foot in each position, back to the tendu front, tendu, turn around, and close rond de jambe back. Now we're going to start from the back. So it's the same thing, same concept, same idea, the two jumping movements, closing in fifth, and turning. Turning back of yourself is always harder, right? I'll point something out as we go this direction. So you're going to go sur le coup de pied and back, and jump, and then you go to close, and we go tendu. The sternum, as you come around, has to stay in front of the pubic bone. I think that's super important as you do anything behind yourself. What happens with students is they go like that. They need to use their core and keep their sternum over them, over their pubic bone as they turn around. Then we go to the side, the same thing, but from the back, head closing towards the front foot, and again, head closing towards the back foot, and quick tendus en croix. And then this is more difficult, all behind yourself, sternum in front of yourself, rond de jambe, plie. And the releve at the end I tend to do with the hands free from the bar, because when you're dancing center, you have to be able to release and catch, and you're there. So you have to be able to access that releve very quickly, so I work on that and using that over-under squeeze. Okay, that's it for tendus.